Welcome back to Veloce Drive, where Italian passion meets pure horsepower. Today we are going to answer one question that car lovers across the world keep asking: is the Ferrari Roma truly the most beautiful car ever to come out of Italy? Stay with me till the end, because if you miss this video, you are going to miss something every Ferrari fan needs to know before it's too late. When the Ferrari Roma was unveiled in Rome in 2019, the Italians did not just call it a car. They called it La Nuova Dolce Vita, the new sweet life. Bellissima, elegant, pure emotion sculpted in steel and carbon. The long bonnet, the flush door handles, the silhouette inspired by the legendary 250 GT Lusso. Every curve was designed not just to move air, but to move hearts. Sitting behind that wheel, with a 612 horsepower twin-turbo V8 screaming beneath your hands, was supposed to feel like falling in love for the first time. Amore puro. But here is where the story gets interesting, and this is exactly why you cannot look away from this video. Because right now, in 2026, whispers are turning into confirmed news. The Roma, this masterpiece that conquered hearts from Milano to Manhattan, is being replaced. Ferrari has unveiled its successor, the Amalfi, and it arrives as a 2027 model. Many fans are heartbroken, many are calling it the end of an era. So the real question is not just, is the Roma beautiful? The real question is, will anything Ferrari ever builds again capture that same Dolce Vita magic? Keep watching, because the answer might surprise you. Now let's talk numbers, because beauty alone does not win arguments, performance does too. The Roma's 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 produces 612 horsepower, sprinting 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds. The weight-to-power ratio is the best in its entire segment. 50-50 weight distribution, a dry sump system built for racetrack precision. This is not just a pretty face, amici miei, this is a Ferrari with a racing heart hiding inside a gentleman's suit. And yet, critics pointed at one weakness: the interior controls. Those sleek, futuristic, all-touch haptic panels that looked stunning in photos but frustrated drivers on the road. Ferrari listened. And that brings us back to the Amalfi, the car some say fixes everything the Roma got wrong. Real physical buttons are back. A proper red ignition button. More power, 631 horsepower now. Sharper styling, with the controversial egg crate grille finally gone, replaced by a cleaner, bolder face inspired by the V12 cylindry. So does that mean the Roma loses the crown of most beautiful Italian car? Non così in fretta. Not so fast. Because beauty in Italy is never just about specifications. It is about emotion, about nostalgia, about the story a car tells when it drives past you on the streets of Roma or along the coast of Portofino. The Roma was the car that brought first-time buyers into the Ferrari family. 70% of its owners had never owned a Ferrari before. That is not just a sales statistic. That is a love story repeating itself, generation after generation. Stay with me, because before this video ends, I am going to reveal which one, Roma or Amalfi, true Italian car designers and collectors believe will be remembered as the more iconic, more beautiful, more emotional Ferrari decades from now. This is information you will not find anywhere else, and trust me, if you skip ahead now, you will miss the most important part of this entire video. Because in Italy, they don't just build cars. They build emozione. They build desiderio. They build dreams on four wheels. And whether it wears the name Roma or Amalfi, one thing remains certain: Ferrari will always chase La Dolce Vita, the sweet life, one heartbeat at a time. If this video gave you even a little chill down your spine, hit subscribe to Veloce Drive, because next time, we go even deeper into the soul of Italian automotive passion. Ci vediamo presto, amici. See you very soon.